my god, you're back. And if you don't know who I am and you're not back and it's not your second time on my channel, then hey, I'm Alicia. You can call me Leash. Yeah. So before I start this video, yes, one of my fingers are broke, and second, I'm on my busted old iPhone 7 Plus to do this video. So yeah. So if you clicked on this video, if you searched up this video, then that means that you're trying to get over your ex, honey and baby. Leash is here to save the day. I got you, sis. I got you. So before y'all ask, my shirt is from my drawer, my hair drawer, actually, because it's a scarf. Oh my God. It's a hair scarf wrapped around. So anyways, let's get into the video. So I have some steps listed out on my phone. So how to get over your ex, how to move on, live your life to the fullest. Because baby, let me tell you, I was in your shoes. I think every teenager has to go through it. It's just a part of life. It just what makes us stronger. I know y'all tired of probably hearing that, like, people always tell y'all, okay, this just makes you stronger, but it really does build you up into a better person. Like, you decide what you like about love, what you don't like about love. So when you do find, if you're a boy, you find your soulmate, and if you're a girl, your soulmate comes to you. So I don't know if y'all religious or not, but in the Bible it says the man has to find the woman. It doesn't say like that, but basically, so we all have a soulmate. God created somebody for all of us, and if you're not religious, I'm sorry, but I am. So yeah, hope that didn't make me lose subscribers. So let's get into the tips. Step 1, accept it. Okay, so what I mean by accept it, you need to actually have it in your head that, okay, we're done. Like, we're done for real this time. If y'all be on and off, it's like, we're done for real this time. There's no getting back together. You just need to accept the fact that the routine, the daily routines y'all had, maybe y'all called each other in the morning, maybe y'all slept on the phone, maybe y'all hung out every day, or anything, any activities y'all do, that it's over. And I don't want to be blunt with you, but I have to. If you're a boy watching this too, like, y'all just gotta understand that it's over. No more getting back together. You're done with them. Okay, look at me, you're done. It's no more taking them back. It's no more, oh, maybe they'll change, because they won't. And if they do change, it's only because they're learning how to do what they used to do just a little bit better, that you don't see it from jump. Period. The next step, you need to start the healing process. Is like, or bro, you need to start the healing process. After you have a pep talk with yourself, like, okay, we're not getting back together, that's phase 1. Phase 2 is healing. And I mean healing. I mean time to yourself. No texting nobody else, catching feelings. If you feel like texting somebody else, you better know how to not catch feelings, how to put that boundary, put that barrier over there, because this is the step that you have to take the most serious. So healing is very important. You don't want to hurry up and jump into another relationship. Please do not make that mistake, because a lot of people make that mistake. They hurry up and jump into another relationship and they're not ready for another relationship. So now they're brokenhearted times 2, because that other relationship that you just jumped in didn't work right after you just got out the other relationship that didn't work. Now you're in the room looking stupid. But I'm not gonna talk about you, because like I said, been there, done that, and it's not a good step. It's not the move. It's not the way. You do not need to hurry up and hop into another relationship, because baby, you got yourself. You need to love yourself before you can love somebody else again. Starting the healing process, what you need to do first is block them on everything. And I mean what I said. Block their number, block their Snapchat, block their Twitter, block their Facebook, block their Tumblr, block their Visco, block everything. Everything that you can see them on, you need to block them on or unfriend them on. Just remove them, because you do not need to get reminded of them every time you open up your social media, because then it's just gonna make your healing process sit back. So like I said, block them, block their friends, block their family, their mother, block their dad, block their aunties and uncles. Anything that you will see them on, you need to block them on. Okay, sis? Or bro, another step you can do is pray. If you are religious, you can pray. If you're not religious, I don't know, maybe like meditate or do some manifestation. I don't know if I said that right.
I said it right.
But yeah, I'm religious. What I used to do, I used to pray. I built a relationship with God. Make sure you take this time to actually pray. Talk to God about what you're going through. If you're not religious, then you can just vent to your friends, vent to yourself. You can really vent to yourself, like just talk to yourself about what you're feeling, accept what you're feeling, say your feelings out. Anyways, if you say your thoughts and your feelings out loud, you're gonna feel 10 times better. Trust leash with the money sign. You're gonna feel 10 times better, like not having everything built in and building up inside of you, because once you release that, then it's gonna be in a way that you didn't want to release it, maybe like violence or just anger in general. So just vent to yourself, say how you're feeling out loud, or just talk to a friend if you're comfortable doing that. But just don't talk to somebody that's gonna judge you. Make sure you're comfortable talking to them and they give you feedback on what you're saying, but not in a judgy way. Yeah, basically just don't try to hop in another relationship. Don't try to fill the void because you're lonely, you're bored, you're depressed, you're sad, you know, all of the above. Like, don't try to fill a void because you're just gonna not be happy with that. I don't know a simpler way to put it, but it's just not gonna work like that. People will still have hope. People will still think they're coming back. And maybe they are, but y'all time is not now. Maybe it's the right person, wrong time. That does happen a lot, but you don't need to focus on that right now. You need to focus on yourself and getting yourself back together. Some other ways you can do like the venting process without talking to your friends or talking to yourself. You can do those let it go plates they do on like TikTok. I know y'all seen that on TikTok before. They write all their problems down on a plate and then they smash it or something, or throw it in the river or something like that. I don't know, I never did it. That seems pretty cool to do. You could do that. And remember, when y'all going through this healing process, it's going to be a lot of ups and downs, a lot of good days, a lot of bad days. But just know the bad days don't last for long. So I don't need y'all to dwell on the bad days. I don't need y'all to ever feel like y'all can't go on, like there just won't be a sunny day again, because after rain there's always a rainbow. I just sung for y'all. Y'all better feel better after that. Next step is moving on. I don't mean in a relationship moving on. Like I said that so many times. Do not jump in another relationship. I don't mean that. I mean moving on within yourself, being a better you. What I did when I first got out of my relationship, I've been real personal with y'all. When I got out of my relationship, the first thing I thought was like learning myself. I didn't know myself as a human being. And I'm like, how do I live within myself? And I don't even know myself. I know my favorite color, right? But like, what are my likes? What are my dislikes? What are my aspirations? I'll link like a website that I use to how to learn yourself. Like, it's a bunch of questions on there that you can answer, like learning your personality, learning your Enneagram, learning about Enneagram. I could do a whole nother video on that if y'all want me to, so just let me know. I learned about that, and I'm on number 5. But yeah, like I said, God made somebody for everybody, so that could be the relationship you just got out, could be your soulmate, or it could just be somebody that's passing through and somebody that you learn from. But you'll know. And when they say you know when you know,
I don't think they said it like that, but
you know what I'm saying? You know, like you just know. You just know. It's not a rumor. You can really just know. I'm sorry if y'all hear fireworks in the back. 4th of July tomorrow. They doing too much. Like, who pops fireworks at 6 in the afternoon? Baby, the sun ain't even go down yet. But okay, what of them? Don't sit and wait for them to come back, because if it was meant to be, it will be. What's for you will always be for you. So if they do end up coming back, y'all, listen to me. Listen. If they do end up coming back, do not be stupid. Do not be fooled, because it might be genuine. You'll know. Like I said, some reasons people come back are just to get what they want from you. Other reasons could be like they just want you and they don't want nobody else to have you, but they busy doing them still, like doing what they do, like talking to other people. They just want you in their corner. It's real game, spitting game to y'all better catch up. Don't be blinded by the fact that they could be using you. And then they'll hurt you again because you fell in. Please don't fall. Please don't fall into that trap. Please, I'm begging y'all, do not fall back into that trap, because it is a trap and you will be stuck and you will be in step 1 all over again. And you don't want that to happen. I don't want that to happen, because I'm having this talk with y'all right now. You know what I'm saying? And I'll be real upset. But life happens. Like, if you fall in the trap on accident, you did think it was genuine. Like I said, you know that feeling. You're just gonna know. But if you do end up falling, because we're all still young, life happens. You still have to live and learn. But just don't keep learning after you should have already got that lesson taught to you. Don't. It's like graduating high school and then moving back to 1st grade. of stuff that you already learned. You know what I'm saying? That didn't make sense, but it
Made no sense
when I had it in my head. But live for you, learn some new stuff. You could learn a new language, you could learn the love languages, you could learn anything. There's so many things to learn in this world, like y'all don't even understand. Like it's just infinite things that you can learn, and I want y'all to learn them. Like me, I need to learn how to talk. So I'll just put that on my bucket list. So much more to life than having a boyfriend or girlfriend, worrying about another person, worrying about if they're gonna come back or not. There's so much more to life than just sitting and moping around. Don't mope around. That's what I beg y'all not to do. It's not the move. Y'all gonna find yourself stuck in this hole and y'all not gonna be able to get out. It's gonna be hard for you to get out. You're gonna have to go to like a psychiatrist or something. Like I said, I'm not judging because I've been there, done that. I went to a psychiatrist not for a relationship though. My dad passed away and I went to a psychiatrist. So that could tie in with this too. Just don't hold in stuff for too long because it will build up and you will be in a place that you do not want to be in. Be real hard to get out of that place. But yeah, y'all, that basically wraps up this video. If y'all have any questions, if y'all want to talk to me, y'all can hit me on one of my social medias. They always will be linked in my videos. So you can always DM me, text me, whatever you want to do. I'm always open because like I said, I've been there, done that. I feel like there's some questions I can answer. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really hope y'all grasp something from it, and I really hope it helps y'all. I'll leave some scriptures at the end of this video, some quotes at the end of this video. You can just look back and refer to those. You can screenshot them if you want to, or you can just write them down in your notes, in your journal, whatever. If you are watching this video and you have just got out of a relationship, bad times don't last forever. You will be happy again, you will smile again, and you will have something to live for. If you don't think anybody loves you, I love you. Alicia loves you, and that's the only love you need, you know what I'm saying? Because Alicia love goes a long way. Whatever you do, just heal yourself and make sure you're really healed, because that's like breaking your arm.
Here she go.
You know your arm still broke, but then you go and play baseball again, then you break your arm again. Yeah, it's like that. Make sure when you think about trying to hop into another relationship, be like, can my heart still work? Be like that. See you guys in my next video. If you guys want to see me do any other type of videos, y'all just leave that in the comments down below. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said in my last video, if you didn't watch that, go watch that. Like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't like it. Let me know if you didn't like it. Let me know what you didn't like about this video. If you enjoyed me and you would like to see more of me, and you could just subscribe, share with somebody that you think will need it. You guys want me to do like a series to this, part 2 to this, because yeah, everybody needs a little pickup. It does happen. You're not the only one that's been heartbroken, and you're not the last one that's gonna be heartbroken. Like, it's just something that we have to go through to build a stronger. I'm gonna miss y'all. See you in my next one. Bye.